Hey everyone, so what we're going to show you to do right now is we've got two plants and they're two in one container. I'm going to show you how to split these plants up for planting them, because we don't want to plant them exactly together. So we're going to take a moment right now, and first of all, if we just come down this way, we're going to carefully take it out. All right, and this is a beauty queen. So what we're going to do, we can see that it has an established root ball. So we're going to just grab it right around the middle like so, and just pull it apart like that. Okay, and we're going to take this one, because we may not plant this one right away. And if we don't plant it right away, what we're going to do is just take some soil, put it back into the container, and we know that we've soaked this root ball, so we know that this root is really wet, just like this one. Okay, but this is basically how you break the root ball in half. Okay, we pinch these off to get them ready for planting. We're going to pinch off the next lower one like so. I'm going to take the root ball over here to the Gaia Green. I'm going to just saturate it in the Gaia Green fertilizer like so. It's all nice and ready to go. Place it in the hole and a little bit of Gaia Green in like so. So it has lots of food. There's not going to be any question as to whether this plant has enough energy and nutrition. And one of the things here, everybody, that I want to talk about is this: is when we're planting tomatoes in this spot. This is a spot, this whole big bed here, where we plant tomatoes in this exact same spot year after year after year. And if you're going to plant tomatoes in the same spot, it's important, if not critical, that you constantly feed the plants with, and the soil with, compost or some sort of a high octane fertilizer such as Gaia Green. And keeping in mind, Gaia Green is not going to burn your plants, but at the same time, you don't need to overdo it. At the same time, you have to make sure you do put enough in per plant so that the plant can get off the ground and produce amazing tomatoes. So if we come down here, I'm just going to show you how we're going to bury these. So we have it like so, and I'm going to just take some water that we have right here, and we're just watering those root balls, a little bit more there. And as we're watering the root balls, what we're also doing with this water is the Gaia Green needs two things. It needs basically soil and moisture in order to activate it. So that's what we're doing. It's just activating the Gaia Green. Okay. And then we've got our compost. I'm going to take some more compost. I want to make sure we have a lot of nutrition in the soil. Okay. And there we go. And then we can just start to fill that in. So the root balls were watered, the soil's watered, there's lots of Gaia Green, there's lots of compost, and now we can fill our plants in. If you end up with a plant such as this one that is actually a little below the level of the soil, what we're going to do is we can actually create like a crevice here. Okay, so kind of a little bonus tip here. So even this one here. So we're going to create a little bit of a crevice, and we're going to keep some of the soil that we would normally fill this in with. We're going to just keep it on the side. And as this plant grows a little taller, we'll fill it in and we'll clip this off. So there you have it. Those are the little tips on how to break your plant apart, how to plant it, how to create a crevice for successful planting. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.